Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft account sign in error. Please retry with a different device or a VPN. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to sign in your Microsoft account and it is showing the error, please retry with a different device or a VPN. Then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open your Chrome browser, tap on this three dot, move your cursor to the extension, then click on manage extensions. In this you need to search Browsec VPN. If you are not seeing any VPN here, just select Chrome Web Store. Here you need to type Browsec VPN. Just click on add to Chrome and it will be added to your Chrome. Then you will find a Browsec VPN icon here in top right side corner. You have to just select that icon, then click on accept. After that you can try to sign in your Microsoft account. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft account sign in error. Please retry with a different device or a VPN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.